How to record audio in Microsoft OneNote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add voice recordings to your notebook in Microsoft OneNote. So let's get started. Open up any browser and head over to your Microsoft OneNote. And once you have created the notebook, you can see insert option in the ribbon bar. Just tap on it. And then you can see audio option. Just tap on it. And then you can see audio recording. So now whatever you speak will be recorded. You can speak as long as you want. And if you want to stop it, you can see the stop option at the top left. Just tap on it. And then that's it. Audio recording has been added to your Microsoft OneNote. So if you want to record it again, just hit record again. And there you go. You can add as many audio recordings as you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Thank you for watching.